Today we are making yummy cookies on a stick. They are perfect for any kind of occasion, be it a baby shower or a children's party. Or just eat them yourself, at least that's what I did. You'll need 125-gram powdered sugar, 1 package vanilla sugar, 350-gram flour, 125-gram butter at room temperature, 1 egg, and if you want to spice it up a bit, you can use food coloring, some other extracts, but obviously you will need sticks. Put the flour, vanilla sugar, powdered sugar, butter, egg, and other extracts into a bowl and start kneading it. I like to use my hands for this, but of course you can use a machine as well. If you have the feeling that the dough is way too soft, you might want to add another tablespoon of flour into the dough. As I wanted to have 2 different colors, I separated the dough into equal pieces and added the food colorings and knead those again. But please don't make the same mistakes I did and knead the food coloring with either gloves or a machine. It was a pain to get rid of the coloring. If you want, you can put the dough into the freezer and use it on another day. Now you can roll out your dough, but be careful not to make it too thin. Try to make it double the size of your stick. And cut them out with cookie cutters, or if you don't have any, just use a glass or a small plastic box. You can get pretty creative. I marbled the rest of the dough to get another kind as well. Please don't waste any. When placing the cookies, try to leave enough space to put the sticks in when it's out of the oven. I overdid it here a bit so that I can show you better on the footage. Bake these yummies at about 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. They just slightly take on color and they should be pretty soft when you get them out. As soon as you get them out, push the sticks carefully into the cookies. I slightly roll them a bit too. You have to do this fast because they harden the colder they get. When they have cooled, you can of course decorate them with sprinkles and any glaze you want. Of course, dripping or pouring chocolate is an option too. Enjoy!
All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.